Virgo, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity are your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to this page with a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is elevate, 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 elevation. You're on the way up, Virgo. You've been putting in the work. Congratulations. Continue to get your hands dirty. Put in that work. Do not stop until you see your dream is manifested into the 3D. I free myself from fear and I trust in the universe because you're successful. All your work is not in void. All your work was not in vain. It's for a purpose. So make sure you continue and finish past that finish line. So we make sure we start the new dream. I direct my thoughts to the beauty inside and around me. I use my spiritual strengths and knowledge to create light, and I rise above all doubt. I need your faith to be in the solar system. Do not limit spirit. Do not limit yourself. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.